Is the red light on?
I'll make the cat's not mission.
Merry Christmas.
Hello, Tyler. Tyler, how are you?
You're stuck.
Are you doing okay? Whoa, here's the tree, and there they are, the two in the middle going nuts. There's Brenda taking lots of pictures with her new camera.
Tyler, smile at me.
Is that all for me too? Yeah. No, from here. These two things. So how can you? Okay, maybe going back there wasn't such a good idea.
Whoops.
I'll go back this way. Halfway. Mike, open up this. I know what it is.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Hey, folks.
What's that, Sean? I can't tell to this black and white viewfinder.
It's a black and white shirt. Just black shirt.
Okay.
Sweatshirt, actually. Not just
Hey, Mom, I got some new pants. I like it.
Oh.
Tyler, another thing for you. Woohoo! A sword! Beat us up.
Turn around and show your dad.
That's great, Tyler. Show Dad the film. He's probably just going to take it.
That looks great, Tyler.
Oh, Tyler, what a warrior you are.
What is this? Oh, Joker. Oh, I think the Joker. Hey, Joker. I got something again, man. Look at me. I can fight it. The Crayola neon carousel. I got it, Dad. Cool, I got it.
Big
You
foot.
did good.
I got
Yeah, they
it.
fit just perfect.
Dad.
Really?
Yep.
Neon crayons and a hole, too. And it turns.
I
You know
like
what they
that.
say about the size of a man's feet?
Yep.
Of course, powers is IQ.
Hey,
Is
Sean.
that what you wanted?
Blue. I like it.
What was that, Sean? A big foot. Oh, good. Those are for going down the hill on your snowboard and
That's
stuff.
right.
You better wear some pants, though, some real pants.
Yeah, I will.
You can wear your Parsons
Turn around.
Your
Show your
shield.
Let's
dad.
down to old Wiggle Wheatley's. See if we can-
What you say? Gangway? What you say?
Cowabunga, dude. Gangway, man.
Show your dad and tell him.
Dad, look.
Hey, I like that.
Shirt. Gangway, man. That was just a Bart Simpson shirt, ain't it?
Hey, Eric, turn the TV off, because no one's watching right now.
Turn it off.
There, thank you.
It's a Bart Simpson shirt.
All right.